How's it going, guys? My name is TJP, and today we're back here with another video. And I decided I wanted to get a product because I've been getting back into emulation. So if you guys haven't heard of Dolphin Emulator, basically what it allows you to do is it allows you to play Wii games and GameCube games on your PC, Mac, Linux. I believe also it's on Android. I'm not sure. It's on a bunch of it's on various devices. If you guys want to download, it's isn't really a tutorial of how to set up Dolphin, but this is just a showcase of a product that you can actually use with Dolphin. So obviously with Wii games, you need a sensor bar. So one thing that's good about this sensor bar right here, the Mayflash DolphinBar, I'm about to just unbox this and show you guys. I have a Wii remote with Wii Motion Plus inside. I have the Wii remote where it ends at a TR. It's kind of blurry, I think. The camera it picks up really weird with red. I'm not really sure why, but there's Wii Motion Plus inside on this. And sometimes when I'm connecting to my PC, that Wii remote, it's very difficult to connect to. What this allows you to do is it's power based on USB. So basically what you do is you plug in, you can actually plug this into like a wall, if you have a wall out with the USB or a power strip with the USB. Theoretically speaking, that's where power comes from, because all a sensor bar is really just two LED infrareds, and you're pointing your infrared Wii remote here, because there's like a low res IR camera that's built in. But anyways, we're gonna unbox this, and I'm just gonna test it out with Dolphin, see how good of a product it is. Mainly just so that I don't have to constantly spam 1-2 to connect my PC to this. So with that being said, let's just get on to this unboxing here. So I'm going to try to switch to a different camera. That way you guys can see me actually unboxing it. Alright guys, so as you can see here, I have the Mayflash Wii wireless sensor Dolphin bar. I'm on my Sony Bloggy camera. I don't really have a really good camera here. So apologize if the unboxing is going to be kind of crummy, because I don't have a stand. But it just comes in this one box. I'm just going to kind of pull out everything here. So here's what we've got. We've got an instruction manual, some 3M tape, which I assume you could put on the sensor bar to get to stick somewhere. And then obviously you have the sensor bar itself right here. I think that's it in the box. Yeah, there's a little stand here that kind of fell out. I'll show you guys. You can actually put this sensor bar on here too, and it'd be pretty sick. So let's open this up. Open up the plastic, and here it is. Here's the Mayflash DolphinBar in all of its glory. So as you can see here, there is a. It's kind of hard to see. I'm gonna hopefully let the camera focus. Focus. It's not gonna focus, is it? Okay. Well, I'll just explain it to you. So on the back of the thing, on this sensor bar, there's a top and bottom switch. That way, you know, if you're placing your sensor bar on the... Why is this zooming in so much? I'm not even pressing anything. Okay. There we go. Now it focused. Okay. So the top and the bottom. So if I wanted to flick this to the bottom, I could put this at the bottom of my monitor over here. I'm going to play on this monitor. Makes sense to put on the top. There's my camera right there. Okay. So I'm going to plug this in. USB. There's 4 different modes. The one mode that you're going to want to be on, if you guys are going to be using this Dolphin, is probably going to be mode 4, which allows you to actually use the Wii remotes. Because I believe the other modes are for like keyboard mouse emulation. So, yeah. And then there's a sync button right here, so I should be able to just sync up. So, let's get this hooked up, and then once I'm done hooking it up, we'll launch up Dolphin, and I'll switch back over to the main camera. Alright guys, so before I switch over to the Dolphin and my PC, just going to show you guys, so I was able to hook it up. The wires are still a bit finicky. Don't pay attention to that. But as you can see, there is a sync button over here, so I'm going to want to press that. If you guys can see it, it's kind of hard to see. The camera's not really focusing. There's not a lot of light over here. But there is a button on the top of here, which I will click. So there's my finger, so I'll click there. And then make sure for Dolphin, it is on mode 4. So I'm going to actually see if I can connect my Wii Remote to this. See if this actually does sync up. So I'm going to do that now. And obviously, if you guys don't know, with the Wii Motion Plus, you could either click sync or do 1-2. So I'm going to do that now. My camera's about to die, so I'm going to switch over. So I'm back onto my regular setup. So I'm going to see if I can sync this up. I might need to do this. I'm going to take it out of the case because I might just do so I click the sync button, click this, and I'm just going to wait to see if it syncs. It might take a minute or two. It might take a couple tries because I did have it synced previously up to my PC. I click the sync button here. Will this sync? Okay, so it didn't vibrate, which is kind of weird. It's still flashing sync, but I think once it'll eventually stop. But as you can see, we did get it to sync. So there you go. I clicked the sync button. You guys can't see because my camera died, but it does stop flashing after like a minute or two. And you could sync up, I believe, 4 Wii Remotes up to this, which is kind of cool. You may be able to sync more. I didn't read the instructions, but if you guys want any instructions, if you guys are thinking about buying it, you definitely should. And I'm actually curious to see, once I load up Dolphin and I load up a game, if I disconnect this, will this just reconnect automatically or I have to resync it? I believe you don't have to resync it, which is kind of cool. So let's just load up a game. For example, I have Mario Super Sluggers, one of my favorite games. So we're going to load that up. There you go. Dolphin seems to have picked it up, which is fantastic. And you can hook up a nunchuck, and it'll work automatically. I have a third-party nunchuck, Rock Candy, because I broke all of my other nunchucks. Let's click play, see if it runs. I think I have the audio muted on the Dolphin, so it might not work. And I also need to change. Oh, no, I don't need to change. All right, you guys can see that. I click A. Seems like it works. Oh, the audio isn't muted. Beautiful. It's going to be really loud. I'm sorry. Yes. Really loud intro. Yeah, this is the best intro song, dude. Oh my god, I love this game. But yeah, as you can see, the controller works, all the motions work, which is kind of cool. Very, very nice. So, what I'm curious to see is, let's say, for example, I don't know, like, I quit Dolphin, or, like, I unplug it, for example. So, let's, like, just do that. So, if I click escape, I just close it. Right, I close Dolphin, and I'm like done for the day. I click the power button. Right? If I click this again, it syncs back up. So I'll watch this, guys. So even if I turn this off or I lose power, right, and I click A, once it's already synced, it will sync back up. So that's beautiful. That's great. That way you don't have to lose charge. So guys, honestly, it's a dub. This is a dub. Now, I will check one more thing. You guys probably want to see, does the cursor work? Well, let's test that out too. I didn't test that out. So we're going to go back into Dolphin, open up the game, and let's see. Look at that. This time I'm actually doing this. A little finicky, but it could just be my placement and like where I am. Yeah, I think I was maybe a little bit too close. So you kind of want to be like a little bit of a distance. You don't want to like right up near it. Like this is a good distance, so like this works. Click start game. So yeah, I could literally use this as, this is beautiful. This is exactly what I wanted. So guys, the Mayflash DolphinBar wireless sensor bar, powered by USB 3.0. Well, actually, I think, well, not powered by USB 3.0. I think it's USB. Is it USB 3.0? I think it's 2.0, 3.0. But you can actually hook up. It tells you what it can hook up. I do have the thing in the way, but you can use it as a wireless game controller. The game light gun, you can hook up to it. Supports the G sensor function for racing. supports vibration, and it is compatible with most modern Windows software. So, and it should be compatible with Mac and Linux. I believe it might not be. I actually double checked that. Is it? You can say it on the box. And it does support the newest version of Dolphin, so I have the latest version of Dolphin right now. It's compatible with XP, Vista 7, 8, and 10. So, I'm not sure if it's compatible or not with Mac or Linux, unfortunately. But, test it out. Maybe it is. You never know, guys. But TJB here. Didn't realize how loud the video was. If you guys want to see the full features, that's what I was explaining. Just pause here and take a look at the box. So, guys, I hope you enjoyed this quick little unboxing. Not really a review. I was just unboxing it, testing it out. Just wanted to show you guys. And another thing, too. I really love Mario Superstars, so I would love to do, like, a gameplay with Mario Superstars and make a new series out of it. If you guys want to see that kind of content, you want to see me play some Mario Superstars, with this actually in hand, like, I could redo the challenge mode. I could just delete one of my files. Please leave a like, comment down below some more, comment down below video ideas that you want to see with some Mario Superstars. Definitely play that. Or some other games, like, do you want to see me play, like, GameCube games? I have Mario Superstars Baseball. Let me know, guys. But with that being said, hope you enjoyed this quick little unboxing. Take care, have a great day or night, and peace.